So good morning students. Our today's topic is heating effect of current. So in order to define the heating effect of current, first of all we'll discuss some key points and then we'll define the heating effect of current. Okay. So the first very important point is we all have observed that whenever an electric current flows through any electrical appliances, then the heat is generated. Okay. We have seen that when we charge our mobile or the laptop, after some time it will become hotter. Okay, so this is what we all observed in our daily life, that the current is, whenever the current is flowing through any electrical appliances, the heat is generated. Okay, now the second important point is what is the reason behind this. Okay, we are now will now discuss the reason for this, why when the current is flowing through any electrical appliances, why the heat is generated. So what is the reason behind this? Okay, let's try to understand the reason. Okay, now in the classroom students, we have already discussed the reason. I am just repeating the reason again. Suppose we are having a conductor. Okay, now if we connect the ends of a conductor with a battery, suppose this is a battery. Okay, so what actually happens when we connect the ends of a conductor with a battery? What the battery do? Battery creates a potential difference across the ends of a conductor, and due to this potential difference, the electrons get drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, this battery will create a potential difference V, and due to this potential difference, the electrons they get drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, now whenever the electron is moving towards a positive terminal of the battery, what actually happens? Electrons can collide with the atoms of the conductor. Okay, there are the what are the different cases here? Whenever the electron is moving towards a positive terminal of the battery, what actually happened? The electron may collide with the atoms of the conductor. These are the atoms of conductor. Okay, the electron may collide with the other electron which is moving towards the positive terminal of the battery. The electron may collide with the wall of the conductor. Okay, so during the motion of the electron, whenever you create a potential difference by applying the battery, the electron moves towards a positive terminal of battery, and during this motion there are the possibility that the electron may collide with the atoms of the conductor, the electron may collide with the other electron which is moving towards a positive terminal of battery, and the electron may collide with the wall of the conductor. And during such collision, we know that whenever the two bodies collide with each other, then the heat is generated. That means during such collision the heat is generated. That is, the kinetic energy of the electron get converted into the heat energy. Every time whenever the electron gains energy, kinetic energy, then it collides either with the electron, either with the atom, or with the wall of the conductor. So heat and the continuously the kinetic energy is converting into the heat energy. So this is how whenever the current is flowing through any conductor, any electrical appliances, the heat is generated. So the main reason behind the generation of heat is the collision of the electrons. Okay, so now we are in a condition to define the heating effect of current. We know the two very important points. Okay, the first is we have observed in our daily routine that whenever the current is flowing through any electrical appliances, the heat is generated. The number second, the reason for the generation of heat is due to the repeated collision of the electron, and during such collision the kinetic energy of electron is converted into the heat energy. Okay, now let us define the heating effect of electric current. How to define? Okay, now listen carefully. Heat energy is dissipated. Okay, heat energy is dissipated when a current is flowing through a conductor. Okay, dissipated means क्या? बाहर निकलना. Okay, so heat energy is dissipated when a current is flowing through a conductor due to the repeated collision of electron with other electron, atoms, or with the wall of the conductor. This is called the heating effect of current. Once again I am repeating what the heating effect of current is. Heat energy is dissipated when a current is flowing through a conductor due to the repeated collision of the moving charges with the atoms or wall of the conductor. Okay, this is the heating effect of current.